During the mash, the phase where you have your grain and your water sitting in here, what you want to do with this system is two things. The first is you want to constantly recirculate that fluid out from the mash and into this coil, and then back out of the coil into the pump, and then back into here. And what that's going to do is help you regulate the temperature of the mash by circulating through that coil that is in water in the hot liquor tank. After you transfer the water out of the hot liquor tank and into this pot, you then add more water to the hot liquor tank and continue to heat it. And that heated water around that coil is what helps you regulate the temperature so you can keep a constant mash temperature. Additionally, what this does is clarifies your work, because it's taking the fluid at the bottom, which has little grain sediment, and will transfer it all the way and drop it back on top. So eventually all the small grains get on top, all the big grains are on the bottom, and over the course of your mash, the wort is going to get very, very clear. Now you can see here, instead of using the pump on the right, we're going to use the pump on the left. So we have the fluid, the wort, coming out and into the pump here, and then out of the pump and up into the coil, and then out of the coil back into the mash lauter tun, and will be flowing out of this tube. And you can control this flow rate by adjusting these valves. And so you set it all up, you turn the pump on, and you still have your burner burning over here. By the way, it's a very efficient burner. One propane tank will last me 2 to 3 brews, maybe even 4, depending on how long the mash is, how long the boil is. But this is the setup when you are mashing.